sound is working. It's all messed up on Discord as well. Okay, that looks better. And yeah, good morning again, and welcome to the show. As mentioned yesterday, guys, I'll be doing a pre-market uh, game plan stream here. Let me post the sounds good. All right, that goes there, and we should be good to go, guys. Yep, it is pretty slow. All right, thank you, Natural. Hey guys, and of course, don't forget to hit the like button on all of the channels. It's creepy with earbuds. I'm sorry, Rhino. But it's good that the sound is all good, because I was scared there for a minute that the update would have messed up all of these settings and whatnot, but looks like it actually did some good to the sound. Right? Okay. Yep, and again, I posted in a thread in the private Discord room, guys, with regards to the spy. As you can see here, I'll go over that real quickly. As you guys can see the the charts here, you can see here Netflix. This was a level of resistance testing here as support, and it finally cracked that. And you can see that nasty drop yesterday. I left JD as well as PDD that I was watching for a short day. Both gave the both the drops there as well. But again, this is the next level here to watch for the spy. We're clearly in a downtrend unless the spy is able to pop up above this level and hold right now as that level to hold as support with a higher low. Then you know, then still be careful if trying to play any bounces and whatnot. No more candy chewing. No, no. Gave that up, guys. But yeah, let's go into the names I'll be watching for today. Obviously, BSFC here. This insane move here towards 2653 dropped all the way down. This at this point it doesn't have any interest for me. Um, unless there's some volume coming in, some movement above that VWAP, some more range, then I might be interested. But as you can see here on the 1 minute as well, it's trending in a pretty tight range, so that's not really of my interest here. SF, I'm sorry, SVFD, guys. This one might be, yeah, it's also already dropping here, so that kind of takes away the setup. But unless it comes back here, you can see this 650 area. It's key level there. But again, right now you can see it's already dropping, so not really liking that at this point. We'll just keep an eye on that. Guys, you can see definitely that the market, we're definitely in a different market if you compare that to last year. And again, this week there was one nice trade on DWAC for me, but even after that, that couldn't do much with that. I was part of this nice fade here, nearly $8 a share. That was good, but again, this week has been super slow. So again, as I mentioned, we are in a different market. Chasing and whatnot, that doesn't work anymore. You really gotta be on your toes and be careful. And if you don't respect your stops, if you don't stop out, things can fade a lot harder and a lot further than you might think. So stonks don't only go up anymore in this time of year, but who knows, that might come back. Peloton, they had a nasty drop, guys. Shitty, shitty daily chart there. I think I saw some news about there might be some confusion about whatever they reported yesterday with regards to halting the production and whatnot. But you can see right now it is trading real tight at that VWAP. This could go both ways. If we get a weak open, ideally we can come down into this 24 area. This white line here represents the close from yesterday. If that does happen at the open, if that VWAP can come down a bit, I might be looking for a bounce long on this name. But again, look at the daily chart. This thing can fade a lot more than folks might expect. And if I was to be any investor and whatnot, I want to get out. I don't want to be holding this. So we might be able to ride this on the short side as well. But in case I want to be a part of a short, then I would like to see maybe a retest of this area here, 26 and a half or 27, depending on how it opens. And then I'll be looking for a short and a continuation of this bearish trend here on the daily. So that's Peloton. We got Netflix. They had earnings, and that didn't look too good. You can see I already drew my line here on the post pre-market lows. Um, you know, this is new 52-week lows, obviously under 400. 400 also being a psych level. Same thing with Peloton. If you're going to long, if you're going to look for a bounce, please be careful. Folks that have been riding this, they just want to get out, in my opinion. This is not a good long, but, we might see some folks stepping in there and trying to be a part of a dip. And if that happens on weakness, maybe you can get a washout 395, 390, depending. This thing has range. Be mindful of that as well. We might look for a bounce play on this Netflix as well. Did I miss anything? BSFC? No. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, it's a pretty slow morning here, and as I mentioned, pretty slow week, month. But again, this might be the year of the diesel engine. The diesel engine needs to heat up first before it starts running. So who knows what we may get. But again, we keep on playing the playbook trades, and if they do show up, we're ready. And if they trigger, we are there. Good morning, Jeremy. Yeah, we got 8 minutes left before the opening bell. We might be able to open it up for some questions real quick. So yeah, if you guys got any questions, if you want me to look at any charts, this is your chance. As you can see the charts. Oh, I'm sorry. John Owen asking me what do I think of Hood. Same thing there with Peloton and Netflix, obviously. This goes, I think, a bit more into the range of Netflix with the new 52-week lows. A little gap down there in the post market and in the pre market as well. Again, if we get a washout, if it starts to stabilize, you might be looking for a quick bounce on the long side, a red to green move potentially. But, you know, at this point, I won't trust any longs. I won't be too comfortable with that. So we'll be looking for a quick in and out if it wants to set up there. And of course, if you guys like this, I'll bring this back every Friday. The free Friday stream. I think I stopped doing that for a while, but since we had no free Friday recap for 2 Fridays, I decided to do here a stream. And yeah, let's look at that BSFC. How much time we got? Like 5 minutes before the opening bell. All right. So, all right, we're getting a little push here into VWAP on BSFC. All right, Booty Bandit. Coasted in. If you would like to be mentored, join us in the private Discord room. Use the link precisiondaytrading.com. It's only 35 bucks a month. And, you know, we can guide you in the right direction if you are struggling. We can show you the setups that we play. Let's take a quick peek at that SPY. All right, the SPY here trying to push up. All right, maybe a nice push into this a pre-high here, and then a reject also off that red to green level on the SPY, and then maybe a continuation to the downside. Roku for a short. Ali Reza. Low volume, but I'm sure the volume will come in at the open. All right, same thing there. You know, I'll add this one to my list as well, Roku. You know, obviously we need more volume, but a test on this 165 or even 167 reject, fail, and then a continuation to this psychological 150 level on the daily, you know, to new 52-week lows as well. That could be something on Roku. You're looking for Tesla long or short today. Well, Tesla is holding up a bit, but again, same thing. You can see that lower high, and still continuation to the downside potential there. What you want to look for on Tesla as it is pushing right now, you know, this goes more towards a short bias, but only if, again, at the open, you can see a push, a retest, you know, depending on the range. I would look first at these levels here, pre-market highs, and then some sort of a rejection. Okay, guys, we got less than 2 minutes before the opening bell. For those who are in the stream here with the charts, guys, thank you for joining. I'm gonna cut the stream here and I'll switch back to the regular channels, guys. Thank you again. Don't forget to hit the like button.